Really cool discussion here for you to think about proteins and calories very differently.
For some reason, it's not talked about. It's like there are nutrient calories, including protein, and there are energy calories.
This is a great way to think about protein. It takes a while for protein to be a substantial energy source, whereas carbs very quickly can turn into energy, and so can fats. So when you're looking at your meal plan, it's really good to think of protein versus energy sources. However, Mark loses me on this next point.
Why are we even assigning a caloric value to protein? Certainly the first 40 or 50 grams of protein you consume every day does not get combusted. So why would you even assign a caloric value to it?
So I don't think that's necessarily true, as I'm pretty sure that you do receive some calories when it comes from a protein and it goes into the amino acid pool. Protein's been assigned 4 calories per gram and it's worked quite well for quite a few decades. Just ask a bodybuilder if protein calories count. So I do think that you gotta look at protein different than carbs or fats, but it still has calories in it.